Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you how you can add this type of Glassmorphism effect to your card, and we will create this type of tilt effect on our card. So friends, video is going to be more important and you will learn a lot about CSS in this video. Without any delay, let's start. So friends, first of all, you can see that this is my project folder named Glass, and inside this folder I have one background pic. The pic will look like this, and two files. The one is index.html and the second is style.css, and this is the profile image that we are going to use. The size of this profile image is 500 pixel by 500 pixel, and here you can see that I have opened this project in the Visual Code Studio, and to the right side you will able to see the output. So first of all, we have to create a basic HTML structure, and here I'm going to type Glassmorphism effect in CSS. Inside the body element, I will type here div.card, div.wrapper, create another div with class profile. Inside this, I will type here image and profile.jpg. Currently, I will remove this. Later, we will add our profile image. Next, I will type here h2, employee name, and here I will type a dummy paragraph. You can see that I have zoomed in my screen to 300%, so I will make it 150%. And next, in the end, I will create a link, and inside this link we have to type this word follow. Next, open style.css and type here star, padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing border box. Next, I am going to add Google font to my project. So to add the Google font, I will search here Google Fonts, click on the first website, and from here I'm going to click on fonts. I will search for my fonts, which is Poppins. Click on the font and scroll up, and here I will click on select regular 400. Then click on this view selected families, click on import, copy this link and paste this link here. Next, I will copy this font family CSS property and paste this property here. So you can see that our font is applied to our all elements. Next, I will copy body element and paste this element here and type display flex, justify content center, align item center, and minimum height 100 VH. And next, we have to link our this CSS file with our HTML code. So I will link it. So now you can see that these four properties will make all the content exactly at the center position of our screen. Next, I will type here background URL, and here I have to give the name of my background image, which is bgpic.jpg. Next, type here background size cover and background position center. Next, I will copy this card class and paste this class here with a dot and type here width 90% and maximum width 350 pixel. Border top 1 pixel solid. Type this color code so you can see a light white border to the top. And next, I will copy this property and paste this property here, and here I have to change from border top to border left. So now our left border will look like this. Next, I will type here border radius 16 pixel, padding 50 pixel and 25 pixel. Next, I have to copy this profile class and paste this class here and type width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel, border radius 50% and border 2 pixel solid. I will copy this color code and paste this color code here and type 0.3. Next, I will copy this card class and paste this class here, and then I will copy this wrapper class and paste this class here and type display flex, justify content center, align item center, and flex direction column. So it will make our all card content at the center position of our card. Next, here I have to type profile.jpg, and here I will type overflow hidden. Next, copy this profile class and paste this class here, and then from our HTML code, copy this image tag and paste this tag here, and then type width 100% and height 100%. So you can see our profile image. I'm going to zoom out my screen. Next, I will copy this wrapper class and paste this class here, and then copy this h2 element and paste this element here, and then type color. I will copy this color code and paste here, and here we have to change the opacity from 0.3 to 0.9. Margin top 20 pixel and font size 2 rem. Letter spacing 1.2 pixel. Next, I will copy this wrapper class and paste this class here. Now we have to give style to our this paragraph. So I will copy this p element and paste this element here, and I'm going to type here line height 1.6, font size 1 rem, margin 10 pixel and 0, text align center, and color. I will copy this color code and paste this color code here. Next, we have to design a button. So I will copy this wrapper class and paste this class here, and then we have to copy this a element and paste this element here, and type here display inline block background color. Copy this color code and paste here, and change the opacity from 0.9 to 1, padding 12 pixel and 40 pixel, border radius 50 pixel, position relative, text decoration none, text transform uppercase, letter spacing 1.6 pixel, color black, and box shadow. Type these values 0, 10 pixel, and here I have to type 10 pixel, and then type this color code. So friends, by writing this box shadow property, it will add a little bit shadow around our this button. Next, we have to create a Glassmorphism effect around our card. So that's pretty simple. Inside this card class, you have to add these following properties. The first is background. Copy this color code and paste this color code here, and change the opacity from 0.2, 0.65 to 0.2. And next, type here box shadow 0, 4 pixel, 30 pixel. Type this color code and its opacity will be 0.1. So you have to add this box shadow property, and at the last type here backdrop filter blur 5 pixels, so it will blur the background of your card. So friends, you can see that we have created a card with a Glassmorphism effect. And next, I'm going to use a library to add the tilt. To do this, open the Google and search here vanilla tilt JS. Click on the first website, and here you have to click on this button, right click on this and click on save link as. I will click on desktop, and this is my project folder. In this project folder, I will save this JS file. Next, click on index.html, and here I have to type script source my that JavaScript file name, and at last inside your this div which have card class, I have to type this word data tilt. So friends, you can see that the tilt effect have also added to my this card. Let me show you in a big screen. I hope you must enjoyed this video, and if you have any question related to this tutorial, you can ask us in the comment section, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. And finally, thanks for watching.